And it's not only the colors that are exploding. Stay tuned for this update on waterfront home prices. Hi, Doug Merrifield here with our real estate market update for Lake Gaston waterfront homes for the first 3 months of 2025. Today, I'm visiting this meticulously maintained property at 1601 Golf Course Road, and it's officially springtime. The sun is bright and vibrant colors are exploding in beautifully landscaped yards just like this one all around the lake. And it's not only the colors that are exploding. Stay tuned for this update on waterfront home prices. Your 60-second update starts now. Here's what exploded during the first 3 months. If you've been watching our updates on this channel, you already know that waterfront home prices constitute the majority of dollar sales for Lake Gaston real estate. The decreasing number of waterfront homes for sale has contributed to robust price increases for the last several years. But what's new is that after a brief cooling off period last year, average selling prices for waterfront homes exploded to the upside in 2025. By the numbers, only 31 homes were sold in the first 3 months of the year, which is consistent with last year when 32 homes were sold, but the average selling price was over $1.1 million, and that's a record. It's the first time that the average selling price of waterfront homes eclipsed $1 million for an entire quarter, and that's a whopping 35% increase year on year. While this sounds like fantastic news for Lake Gaston waterfront home sellers, and it is, there are 3 important market shifts to be aware of. Number 1, the average time that it takes to sell a home is increasing. In fact, it's increased by 181% versus the same period last year. At all price points, we saw fewer multiple offer scenarios where buyers were aggressively competing for the same house. And number 3, while the total number of homes sold was unchanged, we did see a shift in the luxury segment with a 128% volume increase for homes in the popular $900,000 to $1.5 million price range. The takeaway here is that buyers at all price points are increasingly price sensitive, and it's super important for home sellers to have a solid pricing strategy supported by data and an intimate knowledge of the market. If you're curious how specific lake trends are impacting the value of your Lake Gaston home, feel free to call me anytime. For now, that was 60 seconds, and I'll see you next time.